What up, good people? Today we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb in the Gen Coupe. This bulb is blowed, so we're about to replace that today. It looks like it's two 10mm bolts and be able to pop it out. It should be a plug and play, but we'll see how that go today. Artofspeedd. So it looks like it's a 10. So it looks like it's a 10mm bolt. So we're gonna go with a 10 real quick. Yep, 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So that'll be the first time I ever did this. The other day it was pink, and I was like, shoot, my headlight going out. So I had to see that I had HIDs or halogens. And I was like, oh shoot, I got HIDs. It's a little difficult. Like, I can work on other people's cars, but I can't work on my own car. I ain't gonna say no lie. Like, a little Phillip head right there. That unscrew that, and then we'll be putting the bulb in. So I gotta pop that off and then take the HID out. So you want to keep this ring. You want to be able to keep this ring around so you can put it on the other one. But this is the old one. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's blowed. And I gotta go get the other one out of the car. But this one is the DOT DS1 Phillip bulb. So I basically replaced it with the same old one. So I'm replacing it with this one, the Phillip D1S. This is the same one that goes in the car. That was a struggle. I am not gonna sit in line. That was a struggle to get it in. So yeah, but we got it in. Only thing we gotta do is turn, screw this bolt back in. And voila, that's how you replace the headlight on the 2011 Genesis Coupe. If you think this video is helpful, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you guys next video.